người này con có này.
Okay.
Lên tầng lấy hộ con để giả sách.
Hmm? Okay.
Apple.
Again, I am.
Á, á,
Okay. So
apple.
I am Mr. Ed. You already know.
Apple.
Okay. So now, do you know what is this? Do you know what?
À,
Oh,
ấy,
it is
ấy,
an angry apple.
ấy, apple. Á,
Yeah,
á, apple.
very good. How about this one? What is this?
Apple.
Oh,
Apple.
what letter? The first letter of an apple. Letter?
À,
Ah, okay, letter A. It sounds ah, ah.
the à,
Okay, that is apple.
apple.
Okay, this is apple.
Apple. Apple.
Apple, very good.
Apple.
How about this one? The second one. This one. What is that?
X. X.
Okay, that is
X.
X. What is the first letter of an X? Hmm? Okay,
X.
that is X.
X.
Okay, very
I
good.
no.
Next, what
No.
is this? This one.
And
That is ant.
apple.
Apple.
And
The
X.
second one, X. The third one.
X. The third
Oh,
one.
the fourth one is this one. This is
Right.
alligator. Alligator.
And
Alligator. Okay.
very good.
Again. Again. What is the first picture? What is the first picture? Apple. Apple. Wow.
Apple.
The second one? Axe.
Apple.
Okay. Apple. Axe.
For I
Wow. A for apple.
I for apple.
Ah, ah. Wow.
Apple.
Very good. Next, do you know how to trace the letter?
I
Okay.
I
Can you try it? Can you try it?
it's a I
Mm-hmm.
you.
Can you can you trace
Okay.
can you trace letter A? That is this is a big letter. Okay. Okay, very good. That is a big letter. Letter? What letter is that? Wow, very good. How about the small one? Small letter A. Wow. Wow. Okay, next, small letter A. Small letter A. Wow, very good. How about the small letter A? Wow. Mhm. Very good. Okay, okay. Small letter A. Hannah, can you trace a small letter A? Okay. Wow, very good. Oh, that's great.
I.
Mhm.
Letter I.
Wow, very good. Again, can you sing with me? A for apple, A for... What is the sound of
Oh,
A? Ah,
yes.
yay. What is the sound of letter A? Ah, ah.
Ah,
Okay,
ah,
again. Ah. Okay, can you
ah.
sing with me? Can you sing with me?
Yes.
A for apple,
I.
A for ant.
Oh,
Ah,
oh.
what is the sound of letter? Okay, very good. Next, next. What letter is this? Letter
B.
B. Very good. Do you know what is this? This one?
B.
Beer. That is beer. Very good, Hannah. So now,
B.
okay. So this one, what is this?
Bear.
Okay, how about the second?
Bus. Bus.
Bird. Okay, how about the third one? This one.
Bear.
Bed. Where we can sleep. Bed.
Bears.
Bed. Good luck. Good luck. Bed. How about
Bear.
the last one? What is that?
Banana.
Banana. Banana is delicious.
Banana.
Banana is delicious. Do you eat banana?
Yes.
Okay, very good. How about you know how to trace letter B? You know how to trace letter B? Okay, what letter is this? Letter? What letter is this?
The B.
Letter B. What is the sound of letter B? What is the sound of letter B?
B.
Sound of letter B. Ba,
B.
ba. The
B.
sound of letter B is ba.
B.
Okay, very good. Okay, trace it.
B. B.
Okay, very good. Very good. You know how to trace the letter B. That is a big
B.
letter B. How about a
B.
small letter B?
Oh. Oh no.
Oh, it's okay. How about a small letter B?
B.
Okay, Okay. Can you sing with me with the letter B?
B,
Okay. B for ball and B for ball. Ba, ba, ba,
Y,
ba,
no,
ba.
no,
Okay. Can you start in letter A again and
no,
continue to letter B? Okay. A for apple, A
apple,
for
I
ant.
apple,
Ah, ah, ah. Okay. B for ball, B for boy. Ba, ba, ba,
I,
ba, ba, ba. Okay. What is the sound of letter B? Ba.
B,
Letter B is, what is the sound of letter B? Ba.
B,
Okay, very good. Now let's proceed to letter. What letter is this? Letter
let us
C.
see.
Okay, this is letter C. What is this? A cool cat.
Hi,
Wow, cat. Very good. How about this first picture? What is
hey,
this? What is
hey,
this?
poop,
A
um,
cat. That is cat.
um,
What is this?
poop,
The first. Wow, that is
poop,
a
head,
cat. Okay, that is. This is. Okay,
head,
that is a cat. Okay, very good. That is a cat. How about the second one? This one. What
head,
is this?
poop, cup,
Wow,
cup,
very good. That is. Can you spell a cup?
cup,
Okay, C-U-P.
cup,
Oh, okay.
cup, cup,
Ne okay, next one. What is this? The third picture. Flower. Flower. Do you see flower?
C-E-O,
Oh, okay. Do you already seen a car?
red car,
Oh, do you have a car?
C-E-O, red car,
Oh, do you have a car? Oh, okay. How about the fourth picture? What is this?
computer, computer,
Computer.
computer, this is a computer,
Oh, do you have computer?
yes,
Oh,
computer,
nice. You are using computer now?
computer,
Oh, very good. How about, do you know how to trace the letter C?
the C,
What is the sound of letter C?
the C,
Bah, bah, bah. What is sound of letter C? Bah,
C,
C
the
sound? Bah, very good. Okay, can you trace letter C? One.
C,
Okay, trace letter C.
the C,
Right? And say, what letter is that?
C,
Okay, C. This is letter C. Can
the
you
C,
can you trace it? Can you
the
trace
C,
letter C? Can you
the
trace letter C? Like
C,
this? Can you trace it?
the C,
Yes. Can you trace it? Can you write letter C?
the C,
Yes.
C, C, C,
Yes. Can you trace a letter C like this?
the
Oh,
C,
can you trace it like this one?
Letter C, letter C, C, C.
Okay, okay. Sing with me. C for,
Wind. B for apple, B for apple.
okay, very good. C for cat and C for car. Ka, ka, ka.
Ha,
Okay,
ha.
the start. You want to sing with me?
Yes.
Mm, okay, from the letter A. A for apple, A for an,
Apple.
a, an,
An,
an.
a,
B for ball, B for butterfly,
a,
ba, ba,
a,
ba, ba, ba.
boy.
C for cat and C for car. Ka, 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 ka. Okay, very good. So now, okay. So you know already the letter A, letter B, and letter C. Okay, match it. What is this? What is this? This is a, a,
Ha,
very
ha.
good. This one.
This is a box.
Bird. Very good. This one.
This is a cat.
Cat. How about this one?
This is a H. X
About this one?
is a computer.
Computer. Very good.
Computer.
This one. What is this?
Oscillator.
Okay, very good. How about this one?
Cup.
Oh, very good. How about this one, the last one?
Banana.
Okay, very good. So now, right there, a letter C. You know how to write a letter C?
B. C. I.
Write a letter
Con.
C here. Okay,
E.
write a
C.
letter C here.
I.
Can you write a letter C here?
C. That's a C. I.
Okay, okay, let me write the letter C. Letter
C.
C. What letter is this?
That's a C.
Okay, match the letter C. Okay, what is this? Again, what is this?
Car.
Okay, what letter starts in the car? The word car.
Car.
What letter?
Car.
Letter
C.
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 Very good. Letter C. How about this one? What?
Head.
Cat. Okay, what letter
That's a
starts?
C.
Okay, letter C. Let's connect there. Okay,
C.
how about this
Computer.
one? Okay, it
Computer.
starts with letter
That's a,
C.
that's a C.
Starts with letter C. Very good. This one.
C. Cup.
Cup starts with letter.
That's a C.
Okay, very good. So now you already know. Okay, letter A, letter B, letter C. So since it's already time, let's continue this in the next class, okay? Okay?
Ball.
It's already time. Okay,
C. B.
can
I.
you sing with me with the last time?
That's a
Can you
C.
sing with me for the last time? Okay. A for apple, A for ant,
On.
B for ball, B for ball, B for butterfly, ba 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 ba. C for cat and C for car. Ka ka ka.
Car.
Okay. Good. So let's take a photo. One, two, three. Smile,
One,
smile.
three, one,
Okay,
three,
smile.
7, 5.
Okay, hope to see you soon. Goodbye.
1, 3. Goodbye, teacher.
Bye.
Goodbye,
See you
teacher.
next time.
Goodbye.